Agile business analytics and what it is. I think that this slide really shows business analytics at its best because it identifies the components that you need. So for instance, the outside in terms of the platform and the insights that you get, the analytics that you perform really does lead to the diversity of data. But what you really need in terms of the guts of it is this environment which enables data discovery, flexibility not only on the end user side, but also on the IT side in terms of how things are set up and how things are changed over time, which leads to two other important aspects in terms of self-service models, which we'll be discussing later on, as well as process automation. The next slide discusses the important factors of Agile business analytics. Now that we know what it is, we can look at why is it really important for your business. So first off, Agile BA really enables access to more information than you would have and enables fact-based decision making. So not only does it give you more information because you have access to information more quickly, but it also helps give that information and those discoveries to a broader set of audience. In addition, it really allows end users to get answers to questions that they might not have thought of in the beginning because they're not using static reports, they're driving data discovery. And what I mean by that, even though we'll be talking about it a little bit further on in the presentation, is realistically, data discovery is being able to go above and beyond that static reporting or defined analytics towards driving into the nitty-gritty of data and being able to ask questions as issues come up. And the final thing that Agile really does give and why it's so important is that it really empowers the business side so that it reduces the dependencies on IT, but at the same time still enables IT departments to be in control of that data. So it almost serves both sides in terms of giving business users what they want and what they need to make business decisions more quickly and almost better because they have that additional visibility, as well as still keep the control, whether it's privacy and security and compliance needs and all of that, in the hands of IT. Next slide. But when we look at Agile, obviously that sounds really great, but what are some of the challenges that organizations are facing? And recently Gleanster did some good research in terms of, what are companies facing and what are their challenges regarding Agile adoption. A lot of times in general, whether it's Agile BI or BI in general, companies are facing issues with how do we identify data quality needs and get data quality over time and manage it over time, and then how do we integrate multiple data sources to create a more holistic view of information, in essence breaking down those departmental silos. Other challenges that were identified were the ability to generate actionable insights, measure success, and really be able to go beyond that gut level instinct and have data support these decisions. So in essence, being Agile really addresses all these needs by providing companies that the nitty-gritty and almost the guts of what they need to do that.